In this video, I'll show you how you can control your phone using your OnePlus Watch 4. Now on the OnePlus Watch 4, all you have to do is from the watch face, simply press the crown button, and then within the list of application, find this application, normally at the top right corner, this right here, that looks like 4 arrows, and tap on it. Now, on the initial setup, you'll be given a brief tutorial of how to use it. And then once you're done with this tutorial, you can get to this section. Now from here, simply launch any application that you'd like to use with this on your watch. So let's say, for instance, TikTok. So I'll just launch TikTok. And then from here, I can use my watch to scroll through. So you can scroll through and you can see how it works. As you can see that's how it looks like. And additionally, you can press this button right here, You can tap on it and you can see a couple of options appear. So you can see this icon which goes back. You can also increase the volume or reduce the volume from here. So let's say, for instance, if you want to increase the volume, you can simply tap on the plus icon and you can see on your phone the volume is increasing. If you want to reduce it, you can simply do the same. If you like to go back, you can simply tap on back and that will go back to a different, you can exit the application by simply going back. Okay, so that's basically it on how you can control your phone using the OnePlus Watch 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.